There are millions of vehicles from different automakers that have dangerous Takata Airbag inflators. Toyota is doing their best to reach all affected customers by sending letters, emails, and calling customers multiple times. The problem occurs with a chemical inside that works to inflate the airbag during a crash. The defective Takata airbag could explode, shooting sharp metal fragments to the vehicle's occupants. This can cause serious injury. In hot and humid areas, the propellant degrades faster, increasing the risk of ruptures, especially in older vehicles. Repairs are fast, easy, and free. Vehicles that have not yet been serviced are at a higher risk. Check your vehicle now. Check if your vehicle is covered using the VIN checker at online.toyota.com.ph/service campaign and enter your VIN or chassis number. You can find your VIN or chassis number in the following areas: driver's side door jamb, engine bay vehicle body, or inside your vehicle's trunk. You may also check on your certificate of registration or vehicle sales invoice. After entering your VIN or chassis number, click Search to know if your vehicle is covered. The airbag inspection or replacement will take just a few hours. Inspection will take around 30 minutes, while the actual repair lasts between 45 minutes to 3 hours, depending on the vehicle. Please schedule a free inspection or repair at any of our authorized Toyota dealers. You may do so by contacting us either through our customer assistance hotline, through email at customerassistance@toyota.com.ph, through Facebook Messenger at Toyota Motor Philippines, or through the My Toyota app. Go to Contact Support. Your safety and the safety of your passengers are important. It's best to act on it right away.